right, let's try this out. I have my mic hooked up. I have my iPhone working. I'm going to see how well this works. Okay, Decent Wallets has sent me a couple of items to give away when I hit 40,000 subs on my YouTube channel. Here is my MacBook. Here's XRP. Here's fiatleak.com. So this is the Decent S recovery card kit, and it comes in a sealed package here. I have two of them. I'm going to show you. I did open one up this morning, Decent S and recovery. And inside of this is this here, the Decent S and recovery. And what you do is when you open the box up, you're going to see the card itself that taps to the back of your phone to make a transaction happen. And this is the recovery card that saves your mnemonic seed phrases. So you don't have to worry about writing them down on a piece of paper or sharing them or losing them. It all works together. And what you do, you download the Decent wallet. You add the card, you tap the card to the back of your phone. You're going to create a numerical password. Once everything is set up, you're going to tap the recovery card to the back of your phone and set up a numeric password. Everything's ready to go. So now when you use the Decent Wallet app to send XRP or Bitcoin or whatever out of the app, all you have to do is tap this card to the back of your phone to make the process take place without having to worry about passwords and all this other stuff. So check it out, the Decent S. I'm going to leave a link below, and here probably in about a week or two, I'll be giving away two of these. So take care, and don't forget, people, I told you so.